Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to merge two Facebook pages. Okay, first things first, open up your Facebook app. Then, open the Facebook page that you want to merge into another Facebook page. Just make sure that you are on the right Facebook page by checking the page name. Then, what you want to do is open a web browser and go to facebook.com/pages/merge. This is where you can initiate the merge for duplicate Facebook pages. You'll see a form that allows you to merge two Facebook pages. First, add the source page. The source page is the page you want to delete after merging the two Facebook pages. So, make sure you add the page you no longer needed. Next is add the destination page. This is the page that will be preserved after the merge. On the next page, you'll be asked to confirm the merge, review the changes, and ensure you are okay with the pages merging as described. If you are satisfied with the changes, click on Submit to initiate the merge. The pages will then be merged in a couple of days. By following these steps, you can merge two Facebook pages on Facebook. Just remember to be cautious and make sure that the pages you are merging met all the necessary criteria. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now merge two Facebook pages. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.